Hey Vision Chasers, it's Dr. Bird here. You know, one of the unfortunate things about history is that it's filled with war. And even present day, as I filmed this in 2015, there is talk of war and conflicts around the world right now. And during World War II, what was very unfortunate was that civilians were in harm's way. In the early part of the war, in the early 40s and late 1930s as well, there were a series of air raids. Now, these air raids consisted of planes just coming and dropping bombs. Now, the goal was to initially take out military targets and strategic sites such as bridges to cripple the enemy's ability to move their forces. So that was the goal. But ultimately, civilians were running for their lives. And fortunately for many civilians, they were able to get a heads up. And now, again, these are civilians living in Germany and living in England and other parts of Europe as well. Fortunately, these citizens were able to get a heads up, and that's what I want to present to you today. As soon as I'm finished talking, I'm going to play for you the air raid siren that citizens would hear. Now, when they heard this siren, this let them know that there are enemy planes coming to drop bombs. They're not necessarily sure where these bombs are going to fall. And this siren would let people know that, hey, you need to move somewhere to safety. Now, in a lot of occasions, people had basements in their houses, and there were public bomb shelters that people could also go to and seek shelter from the coming bombs. So with that being said, I present this to you. This is a sound of a World War II air raid siren.